This is FEBON iCapture graphic card. I will show you iPhone iCapture graphic card can work on the iOS version, iOS 12. iOS 12.1. This one. Okay. This is a FEBON iCapture graphic card. Plug the power cable, USB cable with the lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Power lightning cable, 2 connector power adapter. And plug the iOS. You can see the charge. This is charge. And then go to the, you will see the Ethernet. And then see the Media Link Live. And then, if you see the long number, you will see the 772 point and the plug again. Open. So you can see 17.20.13.69. This is correct. You need to see the 17 first, 17.2 and then open the app Media Link Live. And then you will see the blue screen. After you see the blue screen, plug the HDMI. The video is from the camcorder. Please close the audio output now. Okay. Turn on, turn off. And you can select the video audio source. HDMI means the camera. MIC means the iPad mic. MIC. So you can select the camcorder. And then set up the parameter. Management definition. You need to log in the edit. This one. You can edit the YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. Okay. I log out to test. Edit. Facebook. 听到是。Continue. Done. And you will see the Facebook. Okay. Before you use, okay, I inform you again. Before you plug the HDMI graphics card, before you plug the FEBON iCapture graphics card, you do not see the Facebook link. After you plug the FEBON iCapture graphics card, you will see the Facebook login icon. Okay. And now, I will set up the resolution. Facebook is up to HD bitrate is 4000. Okay. I select 2000. And then go live. Facebook. You can select the personal, and all the fans page. So far Facebook do not provide the group. You just support the personal user and the page fans. Okay, I use the fans to test, and you can write down your title. Go. Live streaming. And then this is Facebook. Live streaming. Okay, live streaming. Live streaming. Okay, live streaming. Okay.